So I guess this is like day 1.5 of the, we're taking a body off of a Mazda Miata and we're putting it on a Subaru. So that's what we're doing, and we have some experts with us. You know Jamie, but Tom's our new expert.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're the expert, and we're trying to figure out what yeah, that is. But we're gonna continue the taking apart everything. And this body's just gonna go whoop, and a Subaru's gonna go whoop. Still drives! That's fine. Everything's fine. Fine-ish. Okay, so now this is all up in the air, and we're gonna take the brake lines off. And our Miata expert is saying that this has, oh, there we go, put a little light on that. Cool. Yeah, so this is the RX-8 motor and the way that it's mounted, etc., etc., etc. I like this, the
they got the mango on it.
Broken sway bar mount.
That's creative.
Yeah, and that.
This is not doing it.
Yeah, that's not even bolted all the way on.
That's fun.
I like this exhaust.
Hey, it's okay. It ripped. He said it ripped.
Well, this has to come off of this because this is bolted to the body.
There's a huge hole in this exhaust right here.
Yeah.
Oh, fun. That's exhaust?
Yeah, that's the exhaust.
Is that square tubing?
It looks like you made it. There's a huge hole right here. I could fit my whole finger in.
Well, that's the reason why it sounds so good, is because there's no exhaust. This is special. All right, so we no longer have a sway bar on here. That's been disconnected off the body.
No sway bar anyways.
Pretty sure that just about every single bolt in this car is loose.
Yeah, that was also pretty loose too.
Yeah, which makes it easy for what we're doing, I guess. Questionable.
We're on a better suspension setup for sure.
Yeah, this is also interesting, whatever this, like, radiator hose.
Oh yeah, that's just like fence pull, man. It's all rusty as
Yep. So, now we have, this is disconnected. This guy in there. And we did it on the same side over here. Disconnected, and we're gonna figure out the back. There was a lawnmower blade that was attached, attaching this and that.
It's not, but it looks like one.
Well, I don't know. All right, sit rep. So we've done most of these. So right there. Two. And then there's a bunch in the back. So Curtis, tell us how you feel about the engineering that has gone into this.
See the lift kit? Here, there's a lift kit up here.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So this will stay, and we're basically, these subframes, we're gonna lift the body off the subframes.
Exactly. So there's a couple that are back here that we do from the bottom, but we're basically once we get these two off, where there's like two, and two, it's going back on the ground. But the idea is that once we get the body on this, then we'll reinforce underneath.
Is that PPF gonna fit down the tunnel of the Justy?
Well, we're about to find out. But the Justy came with 4-wheel drive, which means it has a transmission tunnel that is most likely not big enough. Right, this is going to go down. And lots of fun down there. Okay. Sorry.
Is your hand okay?
Yes.
He still has his fingers.
Yes.
I have soft hands now because I became an electrician, so I dainty hands now. You have more?
Okay, so brake stuff that we forgot to take off.
Oh, there's something back here that we're pulling apart. That's good.
Oh, is that the breather thingy?
Whatever that is.
Tom, I heard a really good song once. You can do it, put your back into it.
Well, my back's broken, so.
Oh, okay, then don't do that. We'll have to find out, okay?
Like, you keep an eye back there. You keep an eye right there.
Okay. Oh, a little exhaust manifold there.
Kinked ya?
Hey.
Okay. There's a wiring harness that goes up from the That's why those things come off.
That's a lot bigger of a transmission tunnel than the Justy is.
Yeah, I'm going to cut some shit out. All right. So now we have to. Now this is what we're done. But next is we got to get this on its tires,
Yeah.
and we'll roll it out. We might have to put those blocks in there after all, because the suspension doesn't have anything to keep it from just going all the way up.
We've recruited some help from some experts who are here. Expert entertainment, right? You're here for entertainment. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna put this around that.
We're gonna lower the front end down.
Okay, we're about to put the front end down, and hopefully nothing, you know, breaks.
Right now the front end is bouncing on that little jack.
Perfect.
We need you to pop you up. Come on, you need to do this. You are Arnold. You can do this, Curtis. Yeah.
All right. Sketchiness part 1, 2, and then.
Oh no, this is as safe as it gets.
Oh, that's one way to cherry pick your way through life. Okay, I got one lap over here.
I'm a millwright by trade. It's a lot of calculated risk.
Oh,
Anything on the diff we're gonna?
No, that looked pretty solid to me.
yeah, I don't know what the diff is.
Everything else I can't.
PPF flexing.
Okay.
We got a flexi PPF.
More.
Push down the other side. Just push on the.
Oh,
Okay, now everybody get out of the way. It's gonna clear the.
Hope so.
Lift.
Yeah. Just like we knew what we were doing.
yes. This was planned out ahead of time.
It's kind of on it.
I got floor jacks. You want to throw floor jacks underneath the A-arms or something?
Yeah, dude, that's jacked up.
You might notice your little
Um,
round in a box still somewhere. Little workbench that you had. Yeah. Kind of got a little chuckle myself. This little bench. My workbench?
Yeah.
That's where I'm.
And we're down.
I'm not sure if those pieces of wood did much. Just in case anyone wanted to see what a Miata looks like without the body on it. Although, that's not supposed to be like that. So the only real thing that's kind of holding this together right now is like this custom-made thing, maybe some exhaust. Yeah, so, no, that feels good though. So, this is a lot weaker than we thought it was going to be. What else is sketchy? That pipe right there, for coolant, I guess. Most of the exhaust. Yeah, let's go, boys.